Hi, kitchen friends! Welcome again to another fun kitchen adventure here in Jules Flavor Bliss. And in today's episode, we'll be making an Italian famous cake, la Mimosa. And I will teach you the step-by-step on how to create this gorgeous and delicious cake. This cake is very interesting because it resembles the mimosa flower. Come on, let's start, and here are the ingredients. And for our first procedure, we will sieve the flour and all the other dry ingredients. We'll get the zest from 2 lemons, at least a tablespoon of zest. In this process, I am combining sugar and zest. By this way, we can really infuse the lemon flavor from the zest. This is optional, adding lemon oil. What we are looking for is a ribbon stage consistency like this. At this point, we are going to incorporate our flour to our egg mixture. But we are going to combine the flour with the help of a sieve in batches, and we are going to mix them gently. I am using the folding method in mixing our batter. In this way, the volume of our batter will not be deflated. Then we're going to pour our mixture to our prepared roll pan. into the oven for 15 to 18 minutes at 170 degrees C. Let's cool the cake for a while before we cut it. And with the help of another sheet of parchment paper, we are going to invert our sponge. We'll be getting 3 circles from this sponge. And the leftover sponge, we'll be needing them for our garnishing later. And we will be slicing them into small cubes. Can you see the effect? It looks like a mimosa flower, right? Now we are going to assemble the cake. First the sponge, and then we will layer it with our pastry cream. For the recipe of our pastry cream, the link is in the description down below. Then we will alternate our pastry cream with our whipped heavy cream. Then we'll just repeat the process. When the cake is completely covered with whipped heavy cream, start garnishing it with a cubed sponge until you fill up the whole cake. For more fun recipes like this, please don't forget to subscribe. And I've got a lot of more recipes to share with you.